Welcome to a new video. We are going to talk about decision making in this video. We will explore the basics of if, elif, and else statements, crucial tools for controlling the flow of your programs. Let's start with the foundational if statement. This is your go-to tool when you want to execute a block of code only if a certain condition is met. So let's make an example, like let's set the age variable as 25 and we will say if age is greater than or equal to 18, it's our condition, we are going to print you are eligible to vote, and we are going to run that, and you see that you are eligible to vote is printed. So what if I change this to 15? You are going to see there's nothing in the output. Okay, let's reset it to 25 and run that, and here we set the age to 25, and the if statement checks if it's greater than or equal to 18. If true, the message you are eligible to vote is printed. But what if the condition is not met? Then we have the else statement in here. Let's learn about that. So now we are going to set the age as 15 and we will say if age is greater than or equal to 18, and we will say print you are eligible to vote, and we will say after that else, and then we don't need to add a condition. We will say print sorry you need to wait a bit longer, and when I run that you are going to see that we have sorry you need to wait a bit longer in the output. So it's catched by this block because this condition isn't satisfied in here. So if I say 20 in here instead of 15, you are going to see this condition is going to be satisfied and it's going to work like this. And let's rechange it something like 12, and let's rerun this and talk about that. Now if the condition isn't satisfied, we print a different message. This brings a nice flow to our decision making process. But life isn't always black and white. Like there can be other conditions. So that's where the elif statement comes in handy. It allows you to check multiple conditions. Let's say we want to categorize people into different age groups. So let's say age is going to be 13 in our new example, and let's say if age is less than 18, we will say print you are a minor. And let's add a other condition in here, like 18 less than equals to age less than 65. We will say print you are an adult, and let's say else, we will say print you are a senior citizen. So we are covering all the ages in here. Like think it like if we say 5 in here, you're a minor. If we say 555 in here, it says senior citizen. Like when I say 5 in here, you're going to see that it's going to be catched from this. When I say 35 in here, it's going to be catched from this. And when I say 80 in here, it's not going to be catched from any condition, and it's going to execute the else block like this. Also, you can do some type of thing like interactive, like you can say integer input and you can say enter your age, and you are going to see the entering side is going to be popped up in here. And when you say, let's say 15 here and press enter, you are going to see your program is going to work like that. And when you call age again, you are going to see your entry in here. With elif, we can handle various scenarios. This adds flexibility to your decision-making process. Let's create a basic program with what we've learned. So I'm going to create a dictionary like people, data, and I will say, let's say Alice, and let's give 25 as age, and let's say Bob, and we can say 18, let's say Charlie, we can say 35, let's say David, and we can say 15, and let's say Eva, and let's say 60 for it. And now what we are going to do is we are going to write a for loop for looping to iterate through each dictionary item, we can do something like for name and age in people data dot items, we can say print, and we are going to use our f string in here, name in here, and then I'm going to say age, and I'm going to say age in here. So let's get this. In this way we can loop through a list, and now what we are going to do is we are going to add on that. We will say if, and we will say age less than 18. We are going to say print, we will use f string again, and I'm going to say name, and then we are going to do, actually I need to write it like that, and we will say name is a minor. So the other condition was 18 less than or greater to age less than 65, and we will say print name is an adult, and we will write else at the end like else, and we will say print, we will use f string, name is a senior citizen. So we added our conditions in here. Now I'm just going to run this, and we can see that Alice age 25, Alice is an adult, and all information like that. Great. So we covered decision making in Python in this video. I'm creating content about Python programming and data science. You can subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks for watching my video. I have a full playlist of Python tutorials. You can check from the channel playlists or the cards that I'm going to add in this video. Have a great day.